What if every child in the country were able to enjoy meaningful connections with nature every day? The answer isn't just some feel good scenario involving chasing butterflies and splashing in puddles, though that should definitely be part of it. It is now well understood that time in nature supports healthy developmental outcomes for young children, resulting in enhanced physical, mental, cognitive, and social and emotional well being, as well as in higher academic achievement and stronger social relationships. So, if we know that this readily available and low cost resource has such powerful, broad ranging benefits, then what's the problem? Children in low income families grow up with less access to nature than their peers. And as the literature now well documents, the effects of an indoor and sedentary lifestyle include high rates of obesity, diabetes, stress, depression, and other chronic diseases, all of which disproportionately affect low income populations and children of color, the very children who often have less access to safe outdoor spaces and experiences. Supporting nature connection in early childhood does not need to be expensive nor complicated, but may require a shift in mindset. With only some gentle guidance and facilitation on my part, my 5-year-old students in this picture are literally playing with just rocks, dirt, and a small piece of trash they found, and using these materials to design and build a fairy home. Not traditionally an indicator of so called kindergarten readiness, but when understood in the framework of nature based play, actually demonstrating many important developmental milestones. Supporting nature connection in early childhood does, however, need to be prioritized by policymakers and other leaders in early childhood to provide top down support for this type of systemic change. To ensure that all children can enjoy quality time in nature, changes must be made within all the arenas where children visit and play, including more natural play areas in existing early childhood education centers, more accessible and inclusive nature programming in public parks, professional development for early childhood administrators and educators on facilitating nature based play, and an approach to playground design so that they are safe and incorporate nature play elements. This is totally possible. Together with my early childhood colleagues at United Way of Tucson in southern Arizona, I'm helping steer the new Pima County Children in Nature Initiative to begin mobilizing exactly this type of broad spectrum systems level change. This past January, we hosted our first convening, bringing together regional leaders in early childhood, city management and planning, education, and conservation, all of whom are dedicated to and excited about creating more equitable access to nature for all children in our communities. By engaging this diverse spectrum of community partners, we will be facilitating a collaborative process to develop an action plan to move forward our identified priorities around children and nature.